How to get money from YouTube Shorts without having to make videos. 2021. Are you struggling to make ends meet? Do you want more of it? You'll be pleasantly surprised by today's money-making hack. It's completely free, and you don't need to be on camera, wait for monetization, make any kind of investment, use social media, or have any special talents. Seriously. So, what are you going to do now? Don't be worried of your neck or anything. All you have to do now is spend 10 minutes per day. You're not convinced? To get along successfully, take these procedures. Yes, we're going to fragmentize the entire approach of making money with YouTube clips, and we've brought an excellent strategy to boost your monthly profits by 10 times. First and foremost, consider this: what if you could earn $500 per day simply by copying and pasting videos? That is the coolest thing that has ever happened on YouTube, and it doesn't stop there. With this strategy, you will also gain millions of subscribers. Wait, do you want to be a part of our big giveaway? Okay, then tell us why you're making money online in the comments section. What do you think? The intriguing replies will be entertained, and you will receive a free monetized channel as a reward. Yes, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below stating that you're generating money online because. Let's go right into the video, and don't forget to stick around until the conclusion to find out the major secret. YouTube has become a major changer in the entertainment sector. People love to watch short clips that might be educational, entertaining, or anything else. There's a hugely popular feature on YouTube these days called YouTube Shorts. This function has been coined in recent years, possibly because to the fact that it is referred to as YouTube's greatest support. Let's get right to the point and start getting paid now. Step 1 is to find the keyword. To do so, go to the Google search box and type Vidic. Because everything is dependent on the keyword you use. Go to the website and type in free PayPal money. You might be wondering why you chose this exact keyword. It's because the method we're demonstrating today is entirely focused on this keyword. As seen by the fact that it has over 49,000 searches. Because there is little competition, many are looking for free PayPal money but are unable to discover any. So, you can make a whole stinking channel about it, but I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this subtle niche and start making money right away. Step 2 is to create a video. Making videos takes time and can be tough at times. No, I don't want you to do everything yourself. Instead, I'll show you how to make your video without doing it yourself. So, let's go to Google and type in white pixabay. And you'll be sent straight to the page. Here you may download stock footage and movies for free, and the best part is that the films will be of good quality. On the right side, click on Images, and you'll notice a variety of alternatives such as photos, graphics, illustrations, videos, and music. If you need to include photographs in your film, go ahead and do so, or simply purchase whole pre-made videos. Now I'm going to look for videos. Avoid the top row, as these are sponsored videos. Instead, put any keyword relating to your area, such as money, and move on to the next row, where you can see free movies. We need something special, so I'm going to look into developing a declining income. You can see it here. It's a rather high-quality 10-second movie. Now, let me open it in a new tab. On the right side, it says it's free for commercial usage. So you can easily use it for a PayPal giveaway. Now, download this video at a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. Step 3, make a few minor edits to your video. This phase requires you to construct an actual video, which necessitates some editing so that your audience understands your message correctly. Let's now use Canva.com to conduct some free editing. Although this is not a completely free website, our task would be simple to finish. It's a piece of web software that allows us to modify our films and photos. Go to the top right corner of your screen and sign in using your Google account. Now, go to this page and search for mobile video. Select the first choice, and you'll be sent to the most exciting part of the process, editing your video. Now that you have a blank video to make your own, simply go to the upload option and upload the movie you obtained, then drag it here to size it properly for mobile viewing. It's now time to add your own wording. Now we're going to throw in a $500 PayPal prize. I'm going to put an emoji that looks like a $sign and some text underneath it that reads. Link in the description. If you want to add more arrows or anything else, go to Elements and search for the signs you want to add. Once you've found them, simply add them and our film is complete. Now, go to this option in the upper right corner and click on the download button to get the video. Go to the following step when you've saved your video. Step 4. How will you be compensated? This is the most crucial step at this point. It specifies how you will be compensated. To do so, go to OfferVault, which is essentially the website where you can view the affiliate network that is meant to pay your commission. So type PayPal into the search field, and then scroll down to find various sweepstake offers. The sweepstake offers pay you for emails, and when someone types in the required information and email, you'll get $4.90 each email. Now I'm going to click on this one, and you can see that the offer indicates a $3.92. So how is this going to work? When a user enters their email address, they will be taken directly to this page. When asked if they want a PayPal gift card, they must enter their email and enter this giveaway. In exchange, you will receive your commission, which is $4.90 per email. However, we will make money when someone watches our short videos and clicks on the link. We will receive our commission when they enter their email. To do so, you must first obtain your unique link by completing an offer. To do so, repeat after me. Now you must click here Run Offer, complete out the form, and they will send you your unique connection to the giveaway site. As a result, create your link and copy it. It's going to be YouTube Shorts monetization. Fifth step, post your video. Return to YouTube and upload your video now. Fill in the description and title for the short video, which I'm going to call Free PayPal Money, and then add a hashtag and some white shorts. This is required because only then will YouTube recognize that this is a short video that will appear in YouTube Shorts and is under 1 minute long. Keep in mind that you must create videos in under 60 seconds, therefore shorts are the ideal option. Your video should be no more than 1 minute long. Now right-click here to enter PayPal giveaway and paste your exclusive link. That's it. Just imagine 70,000 people clicking on this link and entering their email. Calculate your commission. It's going to be a free jackpot for you guys. That concludes today's video. Make things happen by following these instructions. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends because it is now trending, and your friends will learn about the tactics as well. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. We'll be returning with more information soon, so stay tuned.